Education Transformation Program, which is budgeted to cost $159 million for this year, is projected to spend over $4.2 billion over the next 3 years. And the centerpiece is the construction of 6 new STEAM and 1 visual and performing arts secondary level education by 2028-29 to increase student access to quality educational school places. And by STEAM, we're talking about science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. But Madam Speaker, we don't support that approach. We don't support the approach of just building specific STEAM schools. We believe that all secondary schools should be equipped to provide a robust STEAM program with different schools offering different skills depending on teacher resources and the expectation that over time that we can attract new skills. You, Minister, you're offering STEAM scholarships to teachers, STEM to teachers. That's a good start. But we have to ensure that STEM is infused at the lower levels within our schools. So we shouldn't just build 6 schools. Let us bring it into the schools with the trained teachers so that mainstreaming, so that all students can benefit from the STEM-based education. And not just a few. Because in reality, if you only build the 6 schools, it's only the people who have the opportunity to go to those 6 schools who will get the STEM education. Right? It fosters that inequity in the system. So we have to make it mainstream in our educational system. Madam Speaker, the new standards curriculum provides an effective basis for preparing students with skills which will enable them to embark on a path of innovation at the secondary level and build on those innovative experiences at the post-secondary and tertiary levels. The key skills with which students at the primary and secondary education levels will be equipped with are problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, curiosity, logical mathematical skills, and engineering design skills. And engineering design skills really are also an offshoot of really problem solving skills. If students are to benefit from the promise and the purpose of the new standards curriculum, then adequate funding for teaching must be provided at the primary level to embed STEM in the teaching and learning activities. Madam Speaker, what exists right now is really woefully inadequate. Woefully inadequate. And if we are to ensure that the findings from both the Paddison report and the Davies report, if we are to reverse those findings, we have to find the resources to put it in at the primary level.